King Zoso reveals his secret to success. Delisa Ntaba Jabulani Langa. Lokhu ibuye njalo lensizwa yakwaNtombela. Manje kune-information ebuye igejane la. Kodwa bathi King Zoso built his own 13-room isitezi in Buffelsdraai. Popular content creator King Zoso reveals his secret to success. At 32 kunephutha-ke lapho uzosana u-32 maybe unalapha ko-24. At 32 King Zoso Rienne Sphiwe Ntombela impressed many by building his 13-room double-story house known as Isiteys in Buffelsdraai outside Inanda, north of Durban. His home is widely shared on social media, sparking curiosity about how he managed to fund such a project. King Zoso told Daily Sun his secret is simple: help others, especially those in need, as an offering to God. Helping others as God's offering is important in life for success. I don't have much, but with that I help others and God rewards me, he said. He believes assisting the needy brings blessings and opportunities. A former Ukhozi contributor, King Zoso has established the King Zoso Foundation to provide more structure support those in need. The content creator collects wheelchairs to donate to those in need. Many people don't succeed in life because they are greedy and don't want to do God's will. Many people have more money than I do, but will not be able to build what I have built because they are not doing God's will. Helping others, they can't even help their neighbors. For years, King Zoso has helped communities members with various needs, from building houses, buying items for stroke survivors, to assisting those struggling to bury loved ones. I started helping using pocket money, but many business people advised me to start a foundation to be able to help me. Now I have started the foundation and many business people, including Inyanda Yomkhonto High Risk Unit, are helping me, he said. King Zoso also collects and donates wheelchairs to people in need across KZN. He believes everyone has a role to play. We must be realistic. Government cannot help all people at the same time. Also have a role to play to help others, he says. Article laphana-ke kwi-Daily Sun ekhuluma ngayo uKing Zoso. uKing Zoso okuhle kuyamlandela. Lapho hamba khona engathi impilo yakhe iyakhombisa ukuthi ifuna ukuqhakaza kakhulu kunalokho abantu ade bekucabanga. Siyibongeleke le nsizwa ukuthi yena asithathe igxathu lokuthi ivule ne-foundation ukuze ikwazi ukuthi kube lula ukuthi khona umuntu ofuna ukudonate axhase umuntu ofuna i-wheelchair, umuntu ongenandlu, especially abadala abahlale beney'nkinga, futhi abasenabazukulu, abasenangane babhekile. So sibonga kakhulu udaba olulaphana kwi-Daily Sun. uKing Zoso niqhubeke nimsupport. Niyeke nokuquestion-ke izinto laphana elokhu niyibhale ngekho zinhle ey'khombisa ukuthi yena anihambisani nempumelelo yakhe. King Zoso uphumelele bafethu, lokho kumele sikwamukele. Akukho okuzokwenziwa eyakhe le mpumelelo wayiphiwa, wazalwa nayo ifumbethe. So ukulwisana akusizi ngalutho. Uma ulwisa yena kufana nokuthi ulwisa icebo lalo muntu lo omphile lento amphe yona eyisibusiso. So udaba-ke luyi-Daily Sun. Sibonge kakhulu izinto ey'njengalezi time to time siyazifunda, ama-article siyawafunda, awanankinga. Ukuze si-understande kangcono ngezinto ey'thinta abantu abasondelene nomaskandi, abasebenza ngomaskandi kakhulu, sibathinte sikwazi ukuthi abantu bezwe kabanzi, ngoba kuyena wonke umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi ayibone mhlawumbe le article. Abanye abantu babhizi kakhulu, kodwa kuyenzeka ukuthi uma seyibona lento leyo naye abe interested, abe nomuhle ukuthi umuntu hayi kunendaba ekanje, let me find out ukuthi yena kuhamba kanjani. Bekuyilokho. Qhubeka insizwa-ke isebenze kanzima, ibe isibonelo esihle emphakathini. Ngiyabonga, nisebenze kahle.